So that's an entry into my system. Exactly. Feel? Now track down towards my feet. And you can help that a little bit with the physical. Yeah, so use my elbow and my shoulder to get a little bit more downward direction. And be careful not to lift your own shoulders. Stay open. Keep your eyes on level. Just feel it. Yeah. So that makes a lot of difference. I hope you can see that too in the video, as Josh looks down. It's okay, repeat it again. Just look down and squeeze, right? That has a certain feeling for me. But now when you start opening up your spine and just keep the eyes on eye level, your whole structure is changing now. Feel that too? Yeah, and now there's a power line immediately, and there he is. Yes. Right? So now you've got the head suspended from above, right? Instead of looking down. When I look down and I do this, I can still feel the squeeze, but I am not in structure.
Can you do the same thing while looking down versus not?
Yeah, so this is one, right? I'm more broken. And now notice what happens as I start open up. Feel the structure? It's immediate structure.
Can you do the same, can you look down and do the bouncing and then pushing, and then also look up and do the bouncing and pushing?
Yeah, so this is bouncing and pushing. And this is bouncing and pushing. Feel the difference?
Yeah, it's more
completely
powerful.
Different. For me too, I reach your root very quickly because I'm aligned. I'm grounded.
Yeah.
And when I look down, I'm not grounded anymore.
So you would say like having this connection is just a proof of concept that when we keep our spine up, just things are easier to do.
Everything in life is easier to do. I mean, this sounds corny as hell, but the thing is, as you are aligned as a being, you're in your power, right? So the whole thing with these partner exercises, of course, they can be used for for martial training as well, because you get better listening skills for that. But we teach these things mainly to get people into an experience that as you start working with a partner, it's just so much more clear because you have an immediate result, right? You can test it. Oh, this is not aligned, I have this effect. Oh, I'm open, aligned, I have this effect.
Yeah.
Right, the power can come out. When you test that with a partner, there's so much more growth, so quick,
So it shows it's a good way to test also the manifesting thing. You said when we're sitting down, we should keep our spine aligned.
Yeah.
So
crown suspended from
that,
above,
by
open.
Doing that, it just opens up the energy channels more.
Yes.
And then with this partner training, you can kind of sense yourself, how you impact others.
Yeah. So how can the power ever come out when the spine is not open?
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense because the three energy centers are not aligned then, right? So how can any power come out?
Do you think it has to do with because they're all connected with each other? When you're aligned, it creates more direct connection, so the neurons know how to go like that.
Everything, absolutely. You can just feel it, right? Not aligned. Okay, let's do this, right? So I'm squeezing down. Feel how this feels.
Yeah.
Now feel it like this. Feel? I'm immediately there. Boom.
Do it again.
Yeah,
So
there's just
head down.
power. Head down, crumble.
Yeah, it's not as powerful.